again. We are building the boxing ring. Because apparently Nick really wants to fight. Do, 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 do.
I'm surprised. How long has this stuff been sitting here? It looks like. Oh, it looks like it hasn't grown very much.
It hasn't.
Is that our first harvest, or? We have to mine out the roof a little bit, and then we're gonna have to get some blocks. So.
Now we're just gonna mine it down a little.
The boxing ring said upwards. It's upwards, like we'll say like 2 blocks above, or like a block above, we'll say.
There's a pickaxe in here.
We'll come get it.
It's in that one double chest.
Where at?
The double chest by the furnace?
Don't keep track where you put our chest at. Right, there we go. Where are we gonna build it out of?
I don't
Or no
know.
clue.
Probably something simple.
White concrete? Or no?
Thought you were using that for your room.
I was going to. Change my mind. My room's practically already done. It's gonna do furniture. I'll need white concrete for the room, but I'm not worried about furniture right now. Alright. Let's go do this.
Basically cleared out everything except this.
Minus out a little bit. Just this row.
You can only make it one block above because
Yeah, I know. Yeah. I get you. Yeah, I see. Alright. Yeah, 1 block should be good. No. If it's not, there's something wrong. Things other than that, it's good. Otherwise, we can use white concrete for the base of it. I wish we can get black concrete.
We can if we kill a bunch of squids and get black ink.
I was gonna say on the side of it, we can use like black concrete. And you won't need much black concrete.
We got it done. Broke it. Woo.
Okay, so now we just gotta mine upwards a little more, I think. Actually, we're good. Yeah, okay, we're good. We don't need to then.
So, what are you gonna build it out of?
base of it, white concrete, because like those boxing rinks in real life, they have white padding on the for the bottom.
Yeah. We'll make a cool design on it too.
Yeah, because they have designs too. So
I should have red concrete too. That's somewhere.
yeah, because just curious. Yeah, we will have to do one block tall.
Mm, Let's go to here. Crafting table. 20
And then
separate fences.
we'll put some chairs down there on the left and the right side.
So where'd you put the concrete?
I didn't put it anywhere.
Pretty sure you
I
had the
don't
concrete last.
know. I think I put it in a chest. There's there's three white concrete right here. Let me look in these chests. Out of my mind. There's blue concrete right here.
No, that's blue, but not white.
64 white concrete. Plus two. So
What? You found some? Maybe.
64 plus two, that's more than big enough. We're not making it the whole area. I'll show you what I want. I figure out how we can do it. So let me get my pickaxe. I'm gonna mine out and I'm gonna make it a different color for each side. So that
Here, blue corner.
no, that's too big. That's
Like
too big.
blue
That's too
corner.
big. We
I swear, blue corner.
don't, so about here. So
We'll
you're
try to
building
make.
that.
We'll
That's too
do
big.
something
That's
make
too
it
big.
red.
Do not listen. That's too big.
No, it's not.
I'm trying to see how big we need to make it here. About and then to here.
Like, see, that's good.
I mined it out each corner to show you where we should build it. From here to here to here to there. That's a big enough. That'll be about an average size box, right?
I'm pretty sure it's off center. Yep, there.
Because we don't need it to be this whole room. I want
This
to
is
make this.
where this is gonna be a different color, red. Whenever, if we got red,
We should have had a red.
yeah, we should. Go look. They would be in the bottom chest, like in the downstairs. Not in the downstairs, but you know, like by the entrance.
Yeah, I'll get you. It's getting off my mind. Alright.
We ran out of white,
Do we need more?
and we ran out.
I thought we were done with it. We just had to have red.
Oh, we can make. Oh yeah, we have to make a design on the thing. So hold on. I'm gonna choose how to design.
So we have more blue concrete. Well, we can. I didn't mean we have more blue. I meant we can make more blue concrete. I bet. Harness is good.
Alright, you got the
What is
red?
the deal? No, I have found red. What? Gotta find red. I already searched those. I already searched those chests. There's none in there. There's stuff to make more blue concrete.
Probably had red.
We did.
So I might have to meet more.
Yeah.
Or we make the corner. Ooh,
What? Yeah, there's no blue red in here. Do we have any more white concrete? Hello.
but no, we don't.
Well, just if we did, we could make the red concrete with the white concrete, but I don't see how. How did you use all that? I don't know where other chests we have.
Look, come here.
Coming.
Okay.
Oh.
You
Yeah.
just gotta get 3 more.
Well,
Like
yeah.
I'm pretty
Well,
sure
four.
we can on the surface.
We got four more.
Oh yeah, plus the middle too.
Yeah. So 4, 5, like 6 or 7. It's hungry. Can't you find it in another?
Mine what?
That stuff.
You can, but you need a diamond pick to break it, so I'm just gonna see if we have any sitting around up on top.
If not, go to if instead of you walking all the way up, why don't you just go to another portal and go back up?
Yeah, but I don't know if I have any gold armor.
It looks good though, like purple versus blue. And then we still have to do the sides of it, which I can use. We can use like wood planks for the sides. And that deep slate for the
Now look,
strings.
like this.
Oh, fair point. We're just gonna have to make a gate opening where we can still walk through. So probably here make a gate opening, and then we'll put some an opening. It's telling me.
Ah, back in the forest.
Yep.
Where it's cold. hideous thing.
Hmm. Oh, it's a hideous thing. Are we running out of wood? We might be.
No, I just died.
What did you have on you?
Concrete, gold, and an iron pick.
Oh. Yeah, I quit using iron picks for now. Only because if I die, I don't want to lose all my. I keep all the valuables in the chest for now on. Only because I got tired of dying and losing it all. It's that one. I gotta find our. I forget where I'm at in this building.
I put signs.
I know. Sometimes I just forget to read them. I learned the test room is the first room and towards the pool room and all that. The first room in that hallway. I'm trying to find wood so I can make more fence posts. Now I'll see if I can find one. Find it. We have normal obsidian up down here. Right in that chest. But we need that one type, so. It wouldn't work. Yeah, I don't have. How many fence posts do you have?
9 on me, but I can make more.
Alright. I was gonna say, I can't find any wood, so. Anything up there?
Oh, hey.
What?
Pretty sure Mason broke your little shop. There's glass missing. So that's
Okay.
griefing.
Uh-huh.
Here, I'll take a picture of that real fast.
Thank you. That's okay. We'll talk to Connor about it later.
There you go. So we can get him banned from the server again for griefing.
Oh,
I can
he's
longer
already
his
been.
sentence.
Yeah, that's it. We're gonna take him to court, Noah.
I'm pretty sure we do not have any more. I'm looking through the whole thing.
We have a recipient down here, but normal one. We only have 4 of it.
Why does
But
Colt
it's
have
not.
6? Colt has 6 crafting tables.
Why?
No.
What do you need 6 crafting tables for?
Oh no.
Just that for sure. No, I don't need 6 crafting tables.
I know I don't.
We only have, I think, one. I believe we only have one. Do we have stuff to make a fireplace?
Yeah.
Alright. So I'm gonna make one up here. More deep slate. Well, not deep slate, freaking. What I forgot what it's called. So we know we should have a whole bunch of it in one of these chests, so. No biggie. There we go. Either.
Alright guys, well, we basically got half of the thing built. I'll keep posted for part 5 because we gotta handle server biz.